Hello, it's me. Oh, I spawned inside a block again, but like I promised last episode. Well, I didn't promise. What I said I would do is, oh, I'm stuck in the block again. Oh, that's great. It's like in water when you get stuck in blocks. And my game probably at 0 frames per second, I think. Well, at least it's not that tundra stuff. Hello, sheep. By the way, this is gonna be a peaceful world, cause I will make my third video is gonna be me showing you that I'm horrible at fighting. So, yeah. See, a lot less lagging. I really have nothing to say. Yeah. Oh. Next, if it doesn't really lag on my computer that much, well, I'm gonna probably next or 2 videos from now, because I'm gonna do the fighting video. 2 videos from now, I'm probably gonna play a different thing, because I have one in mind. And what that game is gonna be? Well, spoiler alert, Creep TD. If you don't know what Creep TD is, I'll show you when the time comes. I just don't want to be quiet. Quiet is not my type. Clay. Man, I really wish there was a hill, like one hill. Totally flat. It's just trees and flat lands. Like the coastal plains. It's like we're in the coastal plains. Wow. This is really boring. I was going to do. Boom. More. Yeah. Oh, finally a hill. It's not even, it's like a tiny hill. Oh, no. I saw it. It's a tundra. Not going near there. Oh, I guess I have to do that. Digging in a hole. Dig in the hole. I'm digging a hole. Dig in the hole. Dig, digging a hole. Digging a hole. Diggy hole. Let me mention the channels you should go and watch. Woo Gamer. Swifter Style. And I forgot the other one. I forgot the name. The last one's like Kangaroo something. Oh, freaking 13. Nope, not happening. Not happening in my house. Okay, this is deep enough. I shouldn't be complaining that it's too flat. Why I was complaining it was too flat? Well, because I like to dig a sort of straight hole. Not like a straight down hole. Sort of a straight hole. Like this. Okay, I like to mine inside of the hill and then stay there for the night. That's why. That's my story. That's my story. That's my story, I tell you. 1, 2, 3. That's my story, I tell you. Oh, great. Now I have to plug it in. Plug my battery. Oh my god, it's already 8 minutes. Man, time flies. Time flies, it's like a Superman. And I'm looking for my charger. Probably somebody took it. I'm not gonna mention the name, but I know who took it. Well, dirt. What the heck? Where is my? Oh, my mouse is all the way on the side of my computer screen. There we go. Light this place up. Like it's nobody's business, like this place up. Like it's nobody's business, like this place. Okay. Well, my time's running out, so this is ep number 2 of Minecraft, and see you guys later.